Okay, we're recording now, and my mic is that on?
Yes, it is.
But there's something that's not on. It's on, and it gets plugged in here, so you're gonna have to be careful with this, because this is my mic. Okay, so we should be getting my mic at this point. Lens cover's open, yep. There's our pour. It's Rodney Ut. Tyler is going to be my wingman videographer here. He's going to move, and so you can move that tripod around. Just be careful when you do. Grab a hold of that guy so it doesn't fall off. That's the Bluetooth connection to my microphone. But hey, why don't you pan us? Let's see who's here. Right? We got Dave's here. Flavio's here.
Claire, hit. Yeah, Claire, hit.
Yeah, come on over.
Get in the picture. You too, sir.
Gadiel's here. Lou Daniels is here. Claire's here.
Brandon.
God damn it, Brandon, stop sneaking up on me like that. Brandon's here with his mask on. You don't have to wear it if you don't want to, because we're outside, but that's fine. You can wear it, please. Outside with 6 foot distance, we're pretty safe. But, okay, so we're here together up at City College main campus at the horticulture department, and we are doing a lab on a Saturday that we can't really do on our Tuesday night class. It's for our CT110. The reason being because it's an evening class and we're going to need some light, right? So we're doing it now, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this area here that's got yellow sand. Hopefully it's compacted enough. It should be fine. We're going to build a form. We're going to stake the form, and we're going to tie steel in it and get it ready for a pour a slab. So first thing we're going to do is sight these 2x4s, take some measurements, cut them. So we need two 2x4s 6'9" and two 2x4s 15 foot exactly, right? Isn't that what I said on my cut list?
Yeah, yep.
Okay, so you guys tell me, please, when I take a board. So for my 15 footers, I want the straightest ones, right? Because the shorter ones can straighten out. We'll make that straight. We'll make that a 15 footer. We'll make that a 15 footer, and we'll cut that one. So take a look at that. You see that? Who can tell me which side? The ocean side or the mountain side? Which side is crowned? Exactly. So we want the crown what? Always up, so you can push down on it. So we'll just take this off of here for right now. You got speed square? We'll see if these guys are square. Typically, we want to go ahead and square up anyway. What do you think these are? I think these are 20s? Or 16s? No, they're 16s, nowhere near 20s. Okay, and we're gonna make a 15 out of that. Okay. So we're just gonna clean these up a little bit. Skill saw, please. And actually, let me have, hold on to that for me. You got it?
Yep.
And that's a bit deep, so we're gonna cut a little less deep. About, how much deeper than the cut do we want to go, gang? 1/8 to 1/4, good one. Okay, ready? Here we go. And actually, the way to do this, I haven't used one of these things in so long, I forget. Nope, I don't like it. I don't like it because, okay, that thing's on 0. It drifted, and that's not good.
Fred. Fred, this
not
is
good
Rodney.
either.
Fred teaches the landscaping.
Hey Fred, how you doing, man?
Good, nice to meet you.
You too. We got to cut these things square. This is not cutting square. So, tell you what. How are we doing on this one? Got plenty?
Other than air inside your mouth.
Yeah, take a look and see how it's cutting.
In and out.
The zoom?
Yeah, just so you get it up closer on you.
That's the zoom.
Cool.
And you should be seeing what you're seeing there, right? You doing good?
Not even
Let's see if I can't.
This isn't square.
No, see it? It's not. It's drifting off. It's drifting off. So, what I'm going to do is just try to. Okay, I like that better. Still not cutting all that good.
Rodney, do you mind if our landscape construction class sort of watches along and participates?
I don't. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, that'd be great. I think we could stand to learn a lot from.
Let's go ahead and cut this in half. Yeah, we're just going to cut this in half over here and hopefully get a. And then I'm going to have somebody on either side of this to support it when I cut it. In the meantime, we'll hopefully avoid my mic. Hand me that pencil, will you, Dave? So these guys are going to be 6'9", right?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to cut this right in half at this point. Hand me a speed square. Thanks. Okay, so you're gonna support me like this, and you're gonna support me like this, so that it doesn't bind. Generally, I wouldn't cut in the middle like this, and I really should. I just don't feel like moving these guys, so just hang on to them and don't let it bind on me, okay? Gosh, microphone, the microphone. Let's see. You guys didn't quite get it there. Didn't quite get what I needed. What I needed you to do is hold it up so it didn't bind like that. So, okay.
More? Or?
That's good. That's good. Let's just get these off of here right now. Grab the speed square. Go ahead and drop them. Drop that one. Drop that one. Okay, now Dave, hold that up. Just support it now, and you push down. You just support it, but don't pull up. Okay? We'll just finish this cut. Okay. So like that. Let's have this one. That looks pretty good too. Hey, would somebody fix this? Just get it behind my suspender or something like that. Especially right here. Yeah. Good?
Yep.
Okay. Chop saw would have been fun, but we'll cut these. Now these guys are gonna butt these two, right?
Yeah.
So if we want 15 exactly, that's over 3, right? About 3 1/8, 3 inches and 1/8. So what did I say, 6'9"?
6'9".
So I'm gonna go 6'9" and 1/8. And if I were cutting a whole bunch of these, I'd probably figure cutting multiples. And if I were cutting a whole bunch, I might even have a chop saw here. 6'9" and 1/8, right?
Correct.
You getting all this, Tyler?
Yep.
And I can thank Dave for the pencil. Here we go. That's okay, you guys. If you see me struggling, just lend a hand. Okay. (6'9" and 1/8, yeah. So there's our two ends. We got square ends here. Yeah. Got it, I got it, okay. Let's spread these guys out. Okay. Okay, good. Now. So I want to make sure I got a square end. And what are these going to be? Exactly 15, right? And then those guys will butt on the ends, and then that will work out. Now, kind of a cool way to cut, if you're cutting multiples, if you don't have a stop set up somewhere, you know, where you can just run your stuff over and stop and cut, stop and cut, or if you don't have a chop saw, is to cut on top of. And I'd make this cut and just drop it 1/8 of an inch and it'll score the board below. But I only got 2 boards to cut, so I'm pretty confident with my my ability to measure. This thing's a piece of crap. All right. So peeling back the guard before you cut is not the same thing as pegging your guard by pegging it open, sticking a shim in it, which a lot of guys do, so they don't have to deal with the guard. Because I would have liked to cut these like this with this as a guide. Problem is I was getting some wane. I wasn't getting a 9-degree cut, and I think part of it is because your saw has